Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webpix Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change Google Drive account in desktop. Okay, you can add multiple account in Google Drive application. I will show you how. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so when you create a Google Drive, when you download a Google Drive, and when you log in with the Google Drive, okay, here you can see this is my email id, or maybe you can see your email id is like this. If you want to add or change the Google account, you can click on this and go to the preference. Okay, and here in my computer and Google Drive, two options you will available. I have already add my desktop folder to synchronize to my Google account. So if you want to add another account, you just click on your existing account icon, and here you can see the option. Here you can add another account. When you add another account in your computer on your driver, or here you can see the Google drivers created for my one account, but when you add another account, here you can see the second driver will be created. Okay, as same. So you can add another account from here. So in your driver, there another Google driver will be created automatically. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.